Notice BMC files in your X-Plane installation and wondering if they're safe to delete or how they work? These cache files affect simulator performance significantly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain X-Plane Bitmap cache files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky BMC errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. A cache file generated by the X-Plane flight simulator to store compressed texture data. The simulator creates BMC files to improve loading times and performance by pre-processing and storing bitmap images, like aircraft liveries and scenery, in an optimized format. Users typically encounter these files when managing the simulator's cache. The BMC file is a proprietary binary container designed by Laminar Research for performance. It holds texture data, often using compression algorithms like DXT, optimized for fast decompression by the GPU. This design minimizes stutter and reduces memory usage during simulation by avoiding on-the-fly texture conversion. Optimal handling of the BMC format is achieved using X-Plane by Laminar Research. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows does not expose much information about system files, and tampering can break the OS. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your BMC file and select Open with. Test X-Plane if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. If your BMC file still refuses to open, stay calm. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, letting X-Plane manage. Allow X-Plane to manage BMC cache files automatically. The simulator creates and updates these files as needed during operation. Avoid manually opening or modifying BMC files as their internal cache data, not intended for direct user interaction or editing. Next, clearing cache for issues. If experiencing texture issues in X-Plane, safely delete BMC files from the simulator directory. X-Plane regenerates them on next launch using the source texture files. This process resolves cache corruption issues that may cause missing or incorrectly rendered textures during flight. Finally, optimizing storage. BMC cache files can consume significant disk space in large X-Plane installations. Periodically clear the cache for unused aircraft or scenery to reclaim space. The simulator automatically rebuilds caches for actively used content while leaving unused cache files cleared for storage efficiency. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.